So in this demonstration, what we want to do is scan a multi-page invoice. So let's just again have a look at some of the sort of things you can do with Capture Perfect. We've got a tick box here for thumbnails. That gives us this view down here, which is really handy. Once you've got a thumbnail up in a moment, as you can see, we can always delete it or rotate it. So this time we're going to use the same scanner. So if we change, we'd have gone to select scanner. We're going to go scan batch to file, which is this icon here. And then the most important change we're going to do is make a multi-page PDF this time. So we've got a PDF here. I'm just going to put multi up here to let me know that I've got a multi-page invoice. And if I go into scan settings, we're still in this one here, grayscale at the moment, but actually it's advanced text enhancement, which is the one we used earlier in the previous demonstration for single page invoices. So we're going to stick with that, and all the other features are the same. So if I click save, my scanner's going to spring into life. So I can carry on, or I'm going to stop scanning. So what we have here is a 6-page invoice. The original is actually quite faint, so hence what we're seeing up on the screen here is actually a true representation, slightly enhanced. This on the right hand side here, this is why we don't want to scan directly into the folder, the watch folder for the client, because that you might want to rescan a page. So for example, if I wanted to rescan this page here, which was page 4 of 6, and I find that from my list and pop it into the scanner. Okay, if I go right click and replace page, this time I might want to change my settings altogether. I might want to change it to advanced text enhancement 1. So if I click OK and scan that, now we can see that the page has been rescanned. You can see it's a lot darker, not particularly good for invoice recognition, but demonstrates the principle that you can replace a page once you've scanned it. I might want to delete a page, so I could delete that one there. And each time we do that, it's actually recreating the PDF. So again, the reason why you're not going to scan directly into your watch folder. You can also rotate page documents as well. So if I just click this, I can rotate a page around. Okay, so once I finish, I can just close that file. Yes, I want to save changes to it. Now when we go and find that in our scan folder, so it's in my downloads, scans, we'll be looking for invoice multi.pdf 467k. This is our 5-page document, because we deleted a page with the sort of demonstrating the page here that we'd rescanned. So now I would copy that and paste that into the watch folder, which might be, for example, scan box or something like that. Okay, so I hope that's useful. So let me just recap for you. So when you're scanning multi-page invoices, because we want FlexiCapture to treat all of the pages as one entity, you need to create a separate PDF for that multi-page invoice. And the best way to do that is to scan the invoice, save it, scan the next one, save it. Okay, hope that's helpful.